pretty good, Jay? What do you think of Florida? Pretty good. How's the fishing? How far are you gonna walk out? Good luck, bud. Been lobster fishing, and we're gonna clean and cook a lobster. Let's go. It's my wife Casey. She's gonna be the cook today. Through the head. What are you doing there? That puts them out.
Yeah, this immediately kills them. Well, then you take it.
Split it down the middle.
Yep. Come back with it.
And then all the way through the tail.
Yep. They are.
This is the spiny lobster.
It's definitely spiny.
Juicy. Ew, it's got insides.
And there's its
That's meat, the best part of the meat. There's the
vein. This is actually, I can't remember what it's called, but it's supposed to be really good.
It's like a butter sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And what we're doing today is not that because
I'm not making it for myself.
oh.
Okay.
And then you just continue to split it in half.
Mm-hmm. And we're gonna cut and take the tail right off. For Ron, because he's a baby.
He doesn't like the heads.
Do we want to take that much of it? Yeah. There we go.
Two beautiful looking pieces of meat.
Gonna be delicious. Let's get that off. And there is your lobster tail. And this is for our butter. Okay.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
All right, we're gonna put these on the electric George for me because we're on vacation and that's what we got. So get them on here. And we'll get some butter on them. All right, let's do a flip here, and then we'll come back. This thing is still trying to walk away. Can't forget the lemon juice. Alright, moment of truth. Let's try some of this out. I'm not a really big fan of seafood. That's pretty good.
Really good.
That's pretty good.